If you have a door that clonks when you open it and when you close it, always check this check strap screw bolt here. As you can see, that's causing the noise. It's an easy fix though. We'll just tighten him up. Done, nice and quiet. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.